Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today we are making something that's crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside, and absolutely perfect for tea time or party snacks. That is egg devil. If you love spicy, crunchy, and comforting snacks, then this recipe is going to be your new favorite. These delicious egg devils are flavor packed, coated, crumbed, and fried to crispy perfection. Trust me, one bite and you won't be able to stop. So let's get started. To make the egg devil, I have taken 250 grams of peeled potatoes. You can boil them whole if you want, but I am cutting them into 1 by 2 pieces here. Then I will boil it. This helps the potatoes cook faster. Take a pressure cooker, add the chopped potatoes to the pressure cooker and pour enough water to cover them. You can also boil the potatoes in a pot with water until they are soft and fluffy cooked. But to save time, I am using a pressure cooker. Keep the flame on medium and pressure cook for 2 whistles. After that, turn off the stove. Now let's make a simple homemade dry roasted powder. Add 4 dried red chilies, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. It makes the taste even better. Dry roast the ingredients on medium flame for about 2 minutes. Roast until you get a lovely aroma. After that, turn off the stove, cool ingredients completely, then grind it into a fine powder. Now to make the egg chop, I am boiling 4 eggs. Let them cook for about 5 minutes first. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This helps the eggs peel easily and prevent them from cracking, and let the eggs boiling for a total of 10 to 12 minutes. After that, take them out and let them cool completely before peeling. Now I have peeled the eggs and cut them in half like this. Just sprinkle a little salt, black pepper and red chili powder on each egg pieces. This small step adds extra flavor. Now I will grate the boiled potatoes. If you want, you can also mash them with your hands. But when you mash them by hand, they may not be completely smooth. If you grate them like this, the potatoes become soft and smooth. Next, to make the potato mixture, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Keep the flame on medium and fry this for about 2 minutes. Now add 2 finely chopped onions. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn lightly golden and the raw smell goes away. To help the onions cook faster, I have added 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Now you can see the onions have started to change the color and become light brown. Now we can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it for about 1 minute. When adding the spices, keep the heat very low so they don't get burnt. Now I am going to add the grated potatoes. Along with that, add 1 teaspoon of black salt and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Then add 2 teaspoons of prepared spice powder. Now mix everything well on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes so the extra moisture dries up. See how smooth the mixture is because we grated the potatoes. Now our potato mixture is perfectly ready. Now add handful of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything for about 30 to 40 seconds, then turn off the stove and let the mixture cool completely. Spread it on a plate so it's cool faster. Now I have taken some breadcrumbs to coat the egg chop. You can easily find breadcrumbs at any store. Add a little salt to the breadcrumbs and mix it well. In another bowl, I have taken 2 eggs here to coat the breadcrumbs. Add a little salt, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and a little black pepper. Now beat everything well until nicely combined. Remember to add salt each mixer separately, just like I did. These ingredients don't have much flavor on their own, so adding salt is very important. If you don't add enough salt, the egg chop won't taste good. Now let's see how to shape the egg chop. First take around 2 tablespoons of potato mixture and shape it into a small ball. Then press it gently with your palm and flatten it a little. Now place the egg off in the center and carefully cover it with the potato mixture. Wrap it nicely from all sides. It's a very simple process and easy to follow. Once the egg is fully covered, shape it gently into an oval like an egg. That's it. Follow the same process to make the rest of the eggs. Now let's coat the prepared egg chop. If you are doing the coating by yourself, use both hands separately. With your left hand, dip the egg chop into the beaten egg and coat it well. Then place it in the breadcrumbs. Use your right hand to cover it nicely with the breadcrumbs. This way your hands won't get too messy. You can do a single coating if you like, but I am doing double coating here to make it extra crispy. Repeat the same process with the remaining egg chop. Once everything is coated, keep the egg chop in the fridge for 1 hour for best results. This helps the breadcrumbs stick properly so they don't open up while frying. Now take a wide pan, add enough oil for frying. Once the oil is heat, take the egg chop out of the fridge and gently drop them into the hot oil one by one. Fry them on medium heat until they turn light golden and crispy. While frying, gently spoon some hot oil over the top. This helps them cook evenly and prevents them from breaking. After 3 to 5 minutes, the egg chop turn a beautiful golden color. Now remove them from the oil and place them on a tissue paper to drain the excess oil. Now in the same way, add the remaining egg chop and fry them until golden brown and crispy. Our flavorful and crispy egg chops are done, and you can see how simple this recipe is to make. Just look at this egg chop, perfectly golden and crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Every bite is full of spice and comfort. This is the kind of snack you will want to make again and again. Let's serve it in a different street style way. Serve it hot with fresh salad, and you can enjoy it just as it is, or serve it with some tomato ketchup and mustard sauce on the side. This makes for a great starter. You can make it for evening tea snack or for any parties or get-togethers. So you can see it's really simple to make this flavorful and crispy egg devil. So do try the recipe, enjoy it, share with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.